Hi, I am Siddu. I am from Koppal district, Mudol village in Karnataka. I completed my engineering in electronics and communication branch. After completion of my graduation, I was hurry in searching job without any proper programming skill. So later I come to know Python and Django are trending in market. So I chosen myTectra Institute for Python and Django certification. Here I have learned Python and Django within 3 months. Santosh sir, Umakant sir are taught all concepts in a easy and understandable way, and I am so happy. I would like to recommend this institute for any IT courses. myTectra has guided me from beginning to till end to get my job. So I would like to thank myTectra team. Once again, thanks to myTectra.